Welcome to Namma School portal. This video will guide you through the donation process for individuals, corporates and business, not-for-profit organizations and foundations to join hands in envisioning a new world-class learning ecosystem for our children. To donate in cash, log into Namma School portal, enter the amount and click the donate button. Your successful transaction details will be captured in the user dashboard. Subsequently, if you are an individual, business or an NPO, you will receive an email along with an ATG exempted receipt as an attachment. Namma School portal enables a contributor to make a donation in kind too. A user can explore the school needs and requirements by going into each school page. Once you submit the request to make a donation in kind, the same will be updated in the user dashboard. Subsequently, our team will contact you and assist you with the process involved for submission in kind. A user can also make a donation in kind by exploring the overall state-level needs and requirements. A list of school needs and requirements are available in the portal for about 37,588 schools, both within the school page and the state-level needs. Donations in cash can be carried out for a school or a need through the payment gateway or a transaction through the NEFT. Giving your time through volunteering is yet another remarkable service that is defined by the Department of School Education, which is added in the Namma School portal. The user can log in to explore the services required for the schools that they are willing to perform and submit a proposal. The CSR Secretariat will then reach out to you or your team to implement the request that has been submitted.